I'm not a construction guy. So now, in this case here, how can we construct the house? What kind of materials we require generally? To construct the house, we require some materials, right? We need some resources. Like we require manpower. That means construction people who is having some experience of constructing the house. That means builders or engineers, whatever. Next, we require some iron, cement, bricks. We require some material. We require some resources. With the help of all these resources, we can construct our own house also. Like the similar way, whenever if you want to build your own custom applications, if you want to develop your own software, if you want to develop your own feature, we require some set of resources. The combination of all these resources is called as a platform. So, platform is nothing but a collection of resources through which we can build our own custom applications. Then, what resources will be available over here? In order to develop a software, we require some resources. What resources? We require some programming languages. We require some technologies. We require some databases. We require some tools. These are the various resources are required. Like as for our house construction, we need some iron, cement, bricks, manpower. Like that, we need some resources. Like the similar way, to develop your own software, we require some programming languages through which we can write some piece of code. We require some technologies where we can adapt some ready-made functionalities. We require some database to store our data. We require some tools to perform certain automated operations. So the combination of all these resources is called as a platform. So platform is nothing but a development environment which provides a collection of resources through which we can build our own custom applications. So, whatever the sales application, service application, marketing application given by Salesforce, that is not at all suitable for my business. I want my own applications because I'm completely into a different domain. I'm into banking, I'm into finance, I'm into e-commerce, I'm into healthcare. So, I want my own custom application. So, according to your business requirement, we can build your own custom applications also by using the platform offered by Salesforce. So in this case, as part of Salesforce, Salesforce provides a cloud platform. What is the platform offered by Salesforce?
Force.com.
Force.com platform. Okay, Force.com. So now Salesforce offers a platform called as Force.com platform. Okay, Force.com platform. It's purely a cloud platform. It's purely a cloud platform. Okay, now that means not only the CRM application, they're offering the platforms also purely as a cloud. Okay, it's purely a cloud platform here. Then now in this case, we can raise a question here. Sir, cloud applications we can access with the help of browser internet access. Okay, fine. So now in this case here, if it is a platform, we are using some programming languages to write some piece of code. Okay, because every platform will offer some set of programming languages, some technologies, some databases, some tools also, which we can use to build our own custom application. Now, in this case, will Salesforce is offering some programming languages to write some piece of code? Yes. As part of this Force.com platform, Salesforce offers two programming languages. Okay, Salesforce offers two programming languages. So both are cloud-based programming languages. Both are cloud programming languages, which doesn't require any installations because the platform itself purely a cloud platform here. Okay, the platform itself purely a cloud platform which can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access. Now, as part of this Force.com, we can able to build your own custom applications. Now, in this case here, Force.com offers two programming languages. So now tell me what are those two programming languages? In the demo session also I have given this information. Apex and Visual Force. Right.
Apex and Visual
Now
Force.
we have Apex programming Second one, Visual Force programming. First one, Apex programming, and second one, Visual Force programming here. These are the two programming languages that has been given by Salesforce as part of Force.com platform. Now, so what exactly the Apex programming? What exactly Visual Force programming language? What we can do? Apex is for what? Visual Force is for what?
To implement the business logic, we'll use Apex. To implement the UI and all, we'll use
User
Visual Force.
interface. Right. Now, so now here in this case here, for example, here, come to a small scenario. Assume that I'm having my Salesforce application. You can take any application also, whatever, Java, .NET, C, C++, wherever you go. For example, I'm having the user interface is available here. I want to create some record. When I click on this new button, your form will be getting open. I'm entering some data inside this. Okay, I would like to create a HR record data. I'm giving this data over here, like for example, so now some Shravan Kumar. Location I'm indicating as some Hyderabad. Contact number I'm giving some value. Email ID I'm indicating as Shravan@some gmail.com. Designation of the HR person I'm indicating as recruitment specialist. The current CTC, current salary of this employee as some 11 lakhs. Now, after entering the data, I want to save this record. How can we save? Generally. How to save this one? Do we have any button controls available on this to save the record?
Yes, yes.
Yes, save button.
Save button.
Yes,
Save button.
we have a button called as save button.
Save button.
Just you can click on this save button, it will be creating a record. Now tell me, upon click on this save button, how this button will know in which table this record has to be created? How this use button control will know?
So write in code for that button.
Now, in this case, what happened? Behind this button control, there is some logic will be available. Okay, there is a business logic is available, which will be getting executed. It will collect all the text boxes values. It will go to the database. It will create a new record inside your table. That means what here? Upon click on the button control, it will do some operations for you here. Like for example, whenever you are purchasing any items, we are transferring the money through some phone pay app also, Google Pay also, or it may be anything, any of that applications as well. Whenever we are scanning that particular barcode scanner, it will be populating the organization details also. We are entering the money, we are click on pay button. Once you click on pay button, money will be transferred. How? Because of some business logic. Behind that pay button, it will be having some logic is available, which will be debiting the money from your account. The same amount will be crediting into target people's account over here. It will be giving the confirmation money has been transferred successfully here. Now, that means what? Behind every button control, there will be some logic is available. That logic is called as business logics, which is used to perform certain operation. It may be saving the record also. It may be deleting the record also. It may be searching for some content also. It may be canceling the current operation also, whatever, anything. In order to perform the operations, whatever the logic that we require, we can build those logics with the help of the feature called as a programming language called as Apex programming. So Apex is a cloud-based programming language. Apex is a cloud-based programming language which is used to build our own custom business logics. Over here. Now, here we can raise a question here. Sir, you said that Apex is a cloud-based programming language. As of now, we know so many programming languages like as C programming, C++, Java, C#, .NET, VB.NET, VC++, so many programming languages we know, but those are purely request installation. So, but in this case, as part of Apex programming, it's purely cloud-based programming. Then where we can write the code here? Where we can write the code? The code we are not writing in our local system. We are not using notepads over here. We are writing this code inside the browser itself. We are writing the code inside the browser itself here. Whenever we are writing the code, the browser will be dividing into two parts automatically here. Your browser will be dividing into two parts automatically. Let me show you here for your confirmation. Let me show you for your confirmation here so that you can understand whether it is a cloud-based programming or not. Now, let's see. So let me show you that functionality here. Your browser will be dividing into two parts automatically. This is the normal browser over here. So whenever we are building some functionalities, your browser will be dividing into two parts here. Let's see. At the bottom of the browser, you will be getting an editor. We are not installing anything in our local system. We are not writing anything in our local system. We are not compiling anything in our local system. We are not executing in our local system. We are not saving anything in our local system. My local system is just a dummy system to connect to the internet. That's it. Everything will be available inside the internet itself. So in future, if I go to some different location, I can use the new system. I can connect to my Salesforce account. I can access every data also. Okay, nothing will be there in our local system now. So we can able to write your own business logics also here. So whatever the browser that we have, your browser will be dividing into two parts here. At the bottom, you will be getting the editor. We can write the piece of code. At the top, you will be having user interfaces available to you. You can see the results, everything. So whatever the business logic that you want, every business logic we can able to write by using the editors itself, which has been offered by Salesforce, which can be accessible through browser itself. Okay, that's what I told you clearly. It's purely cloud-based programming languages. It may be Visual Force, it may be Apex also. Both are purely cloud-based programming, which doesn't require any installation, even though we are writing the code that will be available inside that browser itself. We are not using any local editors. We are not maintaining any local editors. Like as a Notepad, Edit Plus, we're not using anything. Everything will be through purely inside that browser itself. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. So in this case, so what exactly the second programming language here? Visual Force. This is for what? User interfaces.
Administrators and
If you
developers.
want to design your own user interfaces, okay, if you want to design your own user interfaces, we can able to use the help of this Visual Force programming language. Depends upon your requirement, we can design. Now, so now here in this case, like for example, this is the user interface which I have designed over here. So that here I'm going to be using some Visual Force programming. I'm writing the code here itself. I'm writing the code here itself over here. Like if you want to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement, then we can do. Like for example, here I'm having the small section is available. In this section, I want to place one text box over here. Let's see how can we place that. Inside that, I would like to place a text box also. I'm placing that. Enter customer name. I'm indicating now. Let's see. We can able to place your own text boxes also, depends upon the requirement. So whatever the user interface that you want, we can design. So now we are writing the code inside the browser itself. Through the browser, we can compile, we can execute, we can see the result also over here. If you want to place one more text box, we can able to add one more. Depends upon your requirement, we can able to place it over here. Based on the business need, we can able to place multiple text boxes also, whatever you want here. Different text boxes we can place. So whenever if you want to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement, then we are using the help of Visual Force programming. So Visual Force is used to design your own user interfaces according to the business requirement. So upon click on this button control, if you want to do some action, then we require business logics over here. Okay. Now these are the programming languages. So here, just I showed you some sample code because so that we can understand. We no need to install anything in our local system. We are writing the code through browser itself. It may be designing also. It may be business logic also. Everything we need to write inside the browser itself. That's what here. So now so many people are adopting Salesforce implementation. You can do the practice of Salesforce by sitting in the internet center also. Okay. By sitting in the internet center also we can do the practice of Salesforce because just we want browser internet access here. We don't want any installations. We don't want any high configuration devices. Okay. Now let's see. Let me give the note point here. Apex programming. By using Apex programming, we can build the custom business logics based on the application requirement to be used to perform certain operations inside the application. Whenever if you want to perform any operations inside your application, then we can able to write the business logic by using Apex programming. Now, the Visual Force. Basically, Visual Force is a web development framework to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Now, sometimes you can raise a question, sir, whatever the background color here, they have given that blue color, it is not looking like good. I want different color here. Then we can apply different color also, depends upon your requirement. Just you can change the color. Instead of this one, I would like to use the another object tab style here. So we can apply different colors also. We can change the color according to the requirement. The whole page we can able to apply the color also. Like for example, now I would like to specify the hiring manager. We can apply the different objects colors also here. Based on the requirement, we can change the application's colors also. Everything we can do. According to your requirement, we can make this user interface look like attractive. So we can design rich look and feel user interfaces by using Visual Force programming. So to design the user interfaces, Visual Force. To build the business logic, the backend business logic, we are using Apex programming language. Okay, these are the two programming languages are available over here. Now, here we can raise a question. Sir, for every application, database is the heart. For every application, for every project, for every software, database is the heart. Because database is a repository, database is a location where your whole business data will be getting resides. Now, do we have any database for Salesforce here? Upon building my own application, so we have understood here, we have identified two programming languages, Apex and Visual Force. What about database here? We no need to take care of any databases as part of Salesforce. Database will be taken care by Salesforce automatically for you. Database will take care of by Salesforce automatically for you, just by using some mouse clicks. Just with the help of some mouse clicks, we can design your own objects. Automatically, database will be getting building by Salesforce by default. So just we can able to leave the database part here. Forget about the database part here. Database part has been eliminated because that will be implemented by using mouse clicks itself. We no need to learn any database programming like as SQL, PLSQL. You no need to learn all these programming languages by your own. These will be taken care by Salesforce because Salesforce database is purely built upon ORM technology, object relationship and the mapping. So which will be designing the database tables automatically for you by default here. Okay. Now let's see. Visual Force programming. It is a web development framework which can be used to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces, which can be used to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. Now, so in this case, as part of this Force.com platform, what we can do basically with the help of this Force.com platform? Now, let me explain. By using Force.com platform, we can perform four basic operations. Okay, we can perform four basic operations. First one, we can customize. Okay, first one, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application features. Whatever the CRM features given by Salesforce, according to your business need, according to your application, we can customize those features by using Force.com platform. That is one thing. Second one here, okay, second one. By using this Force.com platform, we can customize the features also according to the requirement. According to the application requirement, I want to add some more additional features. I would like to extend the functionalities by adding some additional enhancements. So this is called as leveraging. Leveraging means what? Extending. For example, Salesforce has given 50 features as part of CRM. I'm using all the 50 features as part of my business. Along with, I want 5 more features additionally. But those are not available in Salesforce. In this case, what we can do, whatever the 5 features additionally that you want, we can build those 5 features, we can add it to the existing CRM application so that we can use all the features in order to automate your business processes. So that here, by using this Force.com platform, not only customizing the existing features, we can leverage the functionality. We can add some more additional enhancements also. That facility is available. Third one, we can able to build our own custom applications also with the help of these two programming languages. We can build our own custom applications also according to the requirement with the help of these two programming languages. And the fourth one, by using this Force.com platform, not only building your own application, if you want, you can integrate this application with that any other third-party systems also. Like for example, let me explain here. Let me show you one small scenario so that you can understand what exactly that, okay, integration. For example, assume that I'm using Amazon application to buy a product, okay, from Amazon. I want to buy a mobile product here. So that I'm selecting a mobile. I'm selecting a mobile product over here. Like some Samsung Galaxy M33 5G mobile I would like to buy. So it is indicating the whole, okay, product features also, everything is looking like good. So I want to buy this. So click on buy now. Click on buy now button. Once you click on this buy now button, it will be indicating the details of the product here along with the payment information. So now how you want to make the payment over here. So the payment methods are populated. So you can able to select that payment method, whatever you want here. Now, so now here I'm selecting the payment option as net banking. So I'm selecting this option as, okay, ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. When I click on this use this payment method, what happened in this case here now? Now it is asking you to specify the details here. Now click on place your order and pay. Now let's see what will happen now. It is redirecting to what? ICICI payment gateway. That means ICICI Bank application. That means what? Upon click on that button control, automatically it will be connecting from Amazon application to ICICI Bank application. So both are integrated over here. Both are connected. So from here we can make the payment. Once the payment has been done, automatically Amazon ICICI Bank application is giving a confirmation to Amazon. Dear Amazon application, customer has done with the payment. Payment has been credited to your account. So please confirm the order and then send the product to the customer's location. So automatically order will be getting confirmed. Order will be placing inside the warehouse. Warehouse people are preparing the order. They are going to be delivering the products to the customer's location. That means what? Amazon application is integrated with ICICI Bank. That means what? Two applications are communicating with each other. Like the similar way, if you want to integrate your Salesforce application with banking systems, okay, if you want to integrate that Salesforce application with some financial applications, with some Java application, with some .NET application, we can integrate also. For that reason, we are using the help of this same Force.com platform itself. So through Force.com platform, not only building the custom applications, we can integrate your Salesforce application with any third-party systems also over here. Okay, understood the concept now? Now, let me give the note point over here. By using Force.com platform, we can perform the below 4 operations. First one, we can customize existing Salesforce CRM application features based on the need. Second one, we can leverage or extend the features by adding the additional enhancements. Third one, we can build the custom applications based on the need. Like for example, banking, finance, insurance, etc. And we can integrate the Salesforce applications with any external system. External systems means what? Third-party applications. Like for example, banking systems, or with a Java application, with a .NET application, with any application we can able to do the integration as well. That facility is available as part of Force.com platforms. That means instead of making your Salesforce application as an independent system, we can integrate that Salesforce application with any external system also. That facility is available by using Force.com platform. So not only using the ready-made CRM application, we can build your own custom application also, like as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, pharmaceutical, construction, any kind of application, whatever you want, we can build. So upon building those applications, whatever the user interfaces are required, we can design by using Visual Force. Whatever the business logic is required, we can build by using Apex programming language.
Mr. Feroz, can we have a look at the Force.com platform? How does it look like?
You see that one. Done? Now, the next one. So in this case, if you want to see how this Force.com platform look like here. So basically Force.com platform is already integrated with Salesforce. Just you can go to your Salesforce application here. Just we can go to our Salesforce application. From here itself, we can go to that Force.com platform. Just we can go to the developer console. Just we can go to that developer console. From there directly we can able to access that Force.com platform also to do the customizations, whatever you want. Just we can go to that developer console. From here itself, we can able to build your own logics also, whatever you want. We can create your own functionalities also, your Apex classes also, triggers, lighting components, Visual Force pages, everything we can able to build according to your business requirements as well. Whatever you want, we can do that. Okay, all the features are available inbuilt. Now, next one. The last one, infrastructure as a service. What do you mean by infrastructure? What did you understand? Infrastructure in the sense. Now,
Storage, application
Okay,
development.
right. Now, basically, infrastructure means what? Storage space. Storage space. Simply, we can say server resources. Server resources. Because once application development has been done, once the application has been built, then we have to install the applications in the client's environment here. Okay, that is called as deployment. Deployment in the sense installation. Whatever the applications that we have built for our client, once application development has been done, we have to do the thorough testing here. Once the testing has been done, we have to install these applications inside the client's environment. So now tell me, in order to install this application to the client's environment, does the client needs to maintain a separate server? The client needs to maintain a separate server? No. In order to install this application, whatever the server resources are required, don't buy your own server. Don't buy the server by investing a huge amount. Take that server resources also on rental basis. Whatever the space that you want, we can take it on rental basis over here. Okay, now simple concept here. Let me give you one small general scenario so that you can understand very easily what is this infrastructure concept here. Assume that I'm having some valuable things with me, like my property documents, jewelry, money, gold, okay, diamonds. All these things are available with me here. My whole property cost is some 2 crores. My whole property cost is 2 crores here. Because of some personal work, because of some business work, every week I'm going to the out of station here. Now tell me, how can we protect my property from the unauthorized people? What can I do? Can I bring all these items along with me whenever I'm going outside? Is it safe? No.
No.
Then what is that safe place where I can place all these items? Bank locker. Okay, bank locker. Now, so in this case, when coming to the bank people are going to be having their own locker facilities. We can go to the bank, we can take a small locker on rental basis over here, and then the locker people are they're providing some small space to you. In that space, we can place your valuable items, you can make a lock on that. Now tell me here, once I'm placing all my items inside this locker, who is responsible for my property, documents, jewelry, everything? Bank people. Do I have any risk now? No.
No.
Like the similar way, that means what here? Instead of maintaining my own security mechanism here, instead of appointing some security people for my home, instead of maintaining my own locker in my home here, I would like to place all these items inside the locker here. Now tell me, will the lockers are available and free of cost to you? No, they're charging some rental amount, like some for 1,000 or 1,500 per month here. In front of my 2 crores property, 1,500 rupees per month is a small amount. It's nothing simply. We can invest directly. Okay, by investing 1,500 rupees, okay, we can able to make our items safe. We can protect our items from the unauthorized people here. Like the similar way, whatever the way we are taking locker, we can take that space also on rental basis by contacting Salesforce with the help of infrastructure as a service. That means once the application development has been done, in order to install the application, whatever the server resources are required. Server resources means what? Whatever the storage space that you want, whatever the performance features that you want, whatever the security features that you want, whatever the backup and restoring facilities that you want, whatever the upgradations that you want, whatever the disaster recovery facilities that you want, everything we can take it on rental basis by contacting Salesforce. So we no need to maintain our own server. We no need to maintain our own server. Whatever the resources that you want, we can take it on rental basis. We can place your application inside that server. Okay, whatever the space that you want, we can buy the space by contacting Salesforce on rental basis, install your application inside that space itself. From there, your documents, your applications, your data, your records, your files, everything will be storing inside the Salesforce server. So from our end, no risk. If there is any performance issue, Salesforce will take care of. If there is any security issue, Salesforce will take care of. If there is an upgradation, Salesforce will take care of. Everything will be taken care of by Salesforce from my end. My end, I don't have any risk right now. So that's what here each and every client is adopting the cloud services nowadays. So people are taking the cloud resources on rental basis. They're placing all the valuable items like as applications, documents, files, records inside that cloud space nowadays. So we can able to take that cloud space also on rental basis by contacting Salesforce, which is part of infrastructure as a service. So by using this, which is Salesforce, not only accessing the ready-made application Salesforce CRM, not only taking the platforms, we can take infrastructure resources also on rental basis from Salesforce. So in order to provide this infrastructure services, Salesforce is maintaining the servers. Salesforce maintains various servers. These servers are available in 3 different regions.
Hello.
Salesforce is
Sir, one
maintaining the
question.
servers in 3 different regions over here. First one, North America region. This is also called as EMEA region. Second one, Europe region. This is also called as EU or EMEA. Europe, Middle East and Africa. Third one, Asia Pacific region. This is also called as AP region. These are the 3 regions are available where exactly Salesforce is maintaining their own servers. I will show you the live concept of the servers also. How many servers are available in each and every region, how to check each and every server numbers, their current status also, historical status also, maintenance calendar also, everything I will show you with the live concept. Okay, these are all our upcoming topics here which we are going to discuss. Okay, today I'm giving the complete high level overview of these features also here. Okay, each and every feature will be digging into the concept one by one. Okay, now Salesforce is maintaining the various servers in different regions. Like as in North America region, they're having their own servers. In Europe region, they're having the servers. In Asia Pacific region, also they're having the various servers. In that server, they're having some huge memory spaces available. From those memory space, they're allocating some amount of memory space to each and every customer. Okay, now so that here we can able to store our applications, our data, our documents, files, records, everything we can able to place inside the Salesforce servers. So Salesforce is not only offering the ready-made CRM application as part of SaaS, Salesforce offers a platform also. As part of platform, we can able to build your own custom applications, and then we are having infrastructure services also from Salesforce. Okay, clear? These are the 3 classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Okay, understood the concept now? Now,
Yes, sir.
so in tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about the CRM process, that is also called as CRM lifecycle. So now as part of the CRM process, we are going to discuss the various terminology. Okay, the vocabulary or the terms which we are going to use as part of this CRM domain. Upon using this CRM application, what kind of terms, what kind of terminology, what kind of words that we have to use, we are going to be discussing in tomorrow's session. This part is very, very important. If you know this particular functionality, then the remaining 3.5 months course will be very easy to understand, because every day we are using same terminology, same words. If you know what exactly that each and every terminology, then understanding the concept is very, very easy here. Don't miss that tomorrow's session. That is very, very important feature here. Okay, tomorrow we'll explain the various terms and the vocabulary that we are using as part of CRM lifecycle. We'll see practically one by one. Okay,
There
clear up to
one question.
now?
Sir, can I ask one
Thank
question?
you.
Hello.
Online people, could you please give me 2 minutes of time? I will come back to you. I will give the clarification for your question.
Okay.